Can you really charge $250 per hour teaching yoga? Yes, and I'm going to prove it to you. More importantly, I'm going to show you why you should be charging premium rates when you specialize in teaching athletes, and exactly how to make that shift without feeling like an imposter. I'm Sage Rountree, and I currently charge $500 per hour for team sessions. I've trained hundreds of teachers who've moved from $30 studio classes to $150, $200, even $400 per hour working with athletes. Today, I want to share exactly how this works and why it's not only possible, but completely appropriate. By the end of this video, you'll understand why specialized work commands premium rates, how to shift your mindset around pricing, and the exact steps to position yourself to charge what you're worth. This isn't about being greedy. It's about being properly compensated for specialized expertise. Here's the mindset shift that will change everything. You are not charging for your time. You're charging for your expertise and the results you provide. When I started teaching athletes, I thought like most yoga teachers. I make $50 per class at the studio, so maybe I can charge $75 for a private session. I was thinking about time. 1 hour of my time equals this amount of money. But that's the wrong framework. Athletes aren't paying for your time. They're paying for specialized knowledge that improves their performance, prevents injuries, and gives them a competitive edge. They're paying for results. Think about it. Athletes pay personal trainers $100, $200 per hour. They pay sports massage therapists $150, $200 or more per session. They pay physical therapists even more. Why? Because these professionals provide specialized services that directly impact athletic performance. You are offering the same level of specialized service. You're providing recovery techniques, mental training tools, and movement strategies that directly support athletes' goals. That is worth premium rates. So how do you actually charge $250 or more per hour? Let me break down the real numbers and show you how this works in practice. First, understand that per hour rates scale with group size. When I charge $500 for a team session, I'm teaching 15, 20 athletes per session. That's $25 or $35 per person per session. For them, that's incredibly affordable for specialized athletic training. For you, that's $500 for an hour of your time. For private sessions, rates vary by context. A recreational athlete working on injury prevention might pay $150 or $200. An elite athlete preparing for competition might pay $300 or $400. A professional athlete or a high-level executive, which is just another type of peak performer, might pay $500 or more. Here's what's interesting. The work itself isn't dramatically different across these price points. What changes is the value to the client and the convenience you provide. An NFL player paying $400 per hour values the convenience of you coming to them, the confidentiality, and the focused attention. You're still teaching the same fundamental practices. Let me tell you the exact moment my rate doubled. I had been teaching private sessions to Hall of Fame coach Roy Williams for $125 per hour. One day he called me and said, "Hey, my players are worn out. Can you come tomorrow? I know you charge $125, but this is 12 guys, so bill us for $250. In that moment, my rate became $250. Not because I suddenly gained new qualifications, but because someone recognized my value. Roy understood that what I provided, tools for recovery and mental focus, was worth that investment for his team. Here's what's crucial. I didn't change what I was teaching. I was offering the same simple breathing practices, gentle mobility work, and mental training techniques I always taught. What changed was the context and the perceived value. After that session, I never charged less than $250 for teamwork again. And eventually, my rate became $500. Not because I became better at teaching yoga, but because I became clearer about the value I provide. So how do you make this shift yourself? Here's the practical path. First, start by raising your private session rates. If you're currently at $75, move to $100, then $125, then $150. Do this gradually as you gain confidence and refine your offering. Second, package your services strategically. Instead of selling single sessions, offer packages. 5 sessions for $700 saves them $50, commits them to the work. 10 sessions for $1,200 saves them $300, creates real transformation. Third, target the right clients. Amateur athletes training for specific goals, executives who treat their fitness like a sport, recreational competitors willing to invest in performance. These clients understand value and they will pay for expertise. Fourth, position yourself correctly. You're not a yoga teacher who works with athletes. You're a performance recovery specialist or athletic balance coach. Your language should emphasize outcomes and results. I help athletes recover faster, prevent injuries, and improve mental focus. If you want to learn the complete system for pricing and positioning yourself to earn premium rates teaching athletes, I've created a free workshop called How to Double Your Income Teaching Yoga to Athletes. In it, I share exact pricing structures, positioning strategies, and scripts for communicating your value. The link is in the description. You'll also find a link to join The Zone, my free community where we discuss real-world business strategies for yoga teachers. Remember, charging $250 or more per hour teaching yoga to athletes isn't unrealistic or greedy. It's appropriate compensation for specialized expertise that provides measurable value. The question isn't whether you can charge these rates, it's whether you're willing to position yourself as the specialist you are. If this shifted your thinking about pricing, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more business strategies for yoga teachers. Drop a comment also. What's your current rate and what's holding you back from raising it? Let's discuss.